Ey'nsukwini ezimbalwa nje abaholi bomhlaba bazohlangana eGoli engqungqutheleni ye-G20 Mbukeli, marking a historic moment for the African continent. South Africa's theme for the summit is solidarity, equality, sustainability. And Mbukeli, we're expecting discussions on inclusive economic growth, climate action, as well as debt relief for developing countries. Mbukeli, siyabuza ke namhlanje ukuthi uyini umthelela wokusingatha i-G20 eNingizimu Afrika. Phecelezi futhi Mbukeli, what impact is this going to have on you and I and the economy? Eminye ke Mbukeli yembuzo yethu namuhla ohlelweni asikhulume Let's Talk asekubingelele uhleli nobongiwe uMakhumalo wakwaZwane. Khumbula ke Mbukeli ukuthi ungaba ingxenye yalolu hlelo, shayile ucingo sizwe umbono noma umbuzo wakho inombolo zethu 011-714-0677 noma 0678. Mbukeli siyatholakala futhi kumakhasi ethu okuxhumana ku-X SABC Zindaba, ku-Facebook ikhasi lethu SABC Zindaba. Ukuze kubelula ke qala ngo-#asikhulume #SABC News bese ke ubhala umbuzo noma umbono wakho. Asikhulume. Mbukeli, as the G20 summit approaches, concerns about infrastructure and security are top of mind for many Johannesburg residents. Ngaphambi Mbukeli kokuthi singene odabeni lwethu kabanzi, ake sibuke na umbiko esiwuhlanganiselwe intatheli yalolu hlelo uNonhlanhla Mthembu.
Mbukeli, ey'nsukwini ezimbalwa nje amehlo omhlaba azobathe njo eNingizimu Afrika njengoba izobe isingatha ingqungquthela ye-G20. Ukulungiswa kwezindlela, ukuqinisa kwezomthetho, eminye imizamo ekhona ukuqinisekisa ukuthi le ngqungquthela iba impumelelo. Sikhuluma nabahlali baseNingizimu Afrika sibuza ukuthi ingabe bazizwa kanjani ngalamalungiselelo ale ngqungquthela.
I'm dissatisfied firstly. I am existing for 43 years in the CBD. I have businesses here. You can see there's an obstacle. We business people are not working pretty well. We're not getting our incomes now. We are deprived.
G20, it's coming to South Africa. And they're trying to prepare everything that has been laid or being left behind or not being attended at all. So we are struggling here as citizens of South Africa, and those people, they don't even care about us. Now the G20 is coming, they're taking people who are selling from the street, they're taking them out, they're chasing them out.
Izizwa nje kabuhlungu ngoba nayi i-G20 iyabuya la South Africa, sekuyaqala kuyatatazelwa, asinamanzi, asinagesi, imigwaqo injena, sesihluphekile vele la South Africa, bayasihlukumeza, benza izinto ngoba kuza nayi i-G20. Kube ayizi ke, kube solo sinjalo, kube basiyekela sinjalo. No, iSouth Africa isibonelele nathi sibantu sibahlali balakhaya.
What makes me afraid is that after G20 we won't be seeing the city being vibrant like we used to see it now.
Ngibona ukuthi makuphela yona i-G20 le kuzobe sekuphelile. Ngilima ngoba kubhizi manje nje. Kuyaqala ngathi mhlawumbe amathuba omsebenzi ayavela after lesikhathi senijela ukuthi niyasebenza sekuphelele ezinye.
I say the government must do more. They must keep these initiatives very active in such a way that we keep them as a part of our sustainable path.
I think hosting and just cleaning up a small part of the city is actually offensive to the large population that's going through no water, potholes are not fixed, streets are in a mess, parks are in a mess. So that's what people are saying is, do we have our priorities right? And quite honestly, we don't.
Lombiko wethulelwa uNonhlanhla Mthembu, asikhulume.
Mbukeli, let's welcome our guests. Usindisiwe Chikunga, Minister in the Presidency for Women, Youth and People with Disabilities. And then, Mbukeli, via video link, we're joined by Umeya wedolobha laseGoli, uDada Morero. A very good evening to you both, and thank you so much for your time. Minister, I'm going to start with you. Earlier on, besilaleli briefing by the net joints. They're declaring it safe. Are we ready to host the world?
Ready. We are very ready to host the world in many ways. If you look at the venue where we will be, we're ready to host presidents
to host dignitaries, ministers, etc., that will be accompanying presidents. So we're ready in that regard. But what makes us ready to be even more ready is the fact that we had a number of working groups that started to do their work last year. And all of them have now handed over their baton. It's supposed to be US, of course. They're not here, but we have actually done what we're supposed to do as South Africa, and therefore not owing anyone anything. And that is why we are now at the level of heads of state, where President Ramaphosa is therefore supposed to hand over to his counterpart, which is supposed to be US, that is taking over the presidency for 2026, G20 presidency for 2026. And there's a lot that has happened during the process. And I can actually refer to the working group that we're leading as a department. And I think it was really an honor to lead the empowerment of women working group on behalf of South Africa. We took over from Brazil last year in October. I was new in the department, having just joined the Department of Women from Transport. And we had to go and receive and take over from Brazil. And we came back to South Africa and we said what are supposed to be our priorities, because when we're taking over from Brazil, there were a number of proposals. We say, please run with this, run with that. It was a basket of them. Then we came back to say, but this is a South Africa's G20. It's in Africa's G20. What is it that we would want to see being prioritized in South Africa? And that is when we said we definitely are interested to prioritize a first financial inclusion even for women.
Ngizofuna ukuthi ngifuna sikhulume ngale financial inclusion ngoba it's a huge talking point. Ngizocela nje ukuthi ngifake umeya kwamanje. Meya sawubona ama residents wazwile ke sikhulumile nawo izakhamuzi zaseGauteng ezinye zaseGoli zithi zona zibona ngathi idolobha lakho alikulungele ukuthi lisingathe lenqunquthela ngoba ngathi mhlawumbe amapaki awakabi right, bathi imigwaqo ngathi ayikalungi kahle, bathi ngathi awukakulungiseleli ukuthi izwe alifike eGoli. Uthini ngalokho?
No, ngiyabonga isikhathi ngibulise nama your viewers there at home. Qala nje singasho ukuthi sese ready ukuthi si host G20. Konke bekumele sikulungise sesikulungisile. Mhlambe sisakhona izinto ukuthi post the G20 kuzomela sizibheke njengomkhandlo ukuthi nazo sis-attend. Ngiyazi ukuthi inkinga esasekhona kumaphaka amaningi wethu. Kunabantu abahlala emaphakini, labantu laba abahlala banganamizi, homeless people, abagcwele kumaphaka wethu. So sisazilungisa lezo zinto. But ngiyathemba ukuthi lezi bekumele sizilungise ezihlangane ne-G20. Sizenze konke. Salungisa ukuthi abavakashi bethu mabafika bafike ku-right la eGoli. But okubalulekile Bongile, it's not the G20 kuphela. Phela kwe-G20 kumele umkhandlu uchubeke siyenze izinto zokuthi silungise iGoli lebe lihle. Yonke into ukuthi ngathi imoshakele sifocus kuye ukuthi silungise. And sisimisele ke Bongile ukuthi silungise idolobha.
Okay. Minister, ngizocela ukuthi sibuyele kulento besikhuluma ngayo i-financial inclusion. Abantu abaningi besifazane baye bavama ukuthi abakwazi ukushiya amakhaya la bahlukumezeka khona ngoba abanayo imali, abanawo amandla ukuthi bahambe bayithulele zabindawo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bathole indawo bangaphephela kuyo nezingane. Ibaleka kangakanani ukuthi indaba yokuthi ni G20 nikhulume ngaleyo financial inclusion ngoba siyabona ikakhulukazi abantu beningi besifazane bayashayeka khona la.
In fact, masikhuluma nge-financial inclusion sikhuluma nge-wealth, which I believe nathi noma ubani unalilungelo lalokho. And masikhuluma nge-financial inclusion sisho ukuthi abantu besifazane bayakhona ukufinyelela la mhlawumbe uma ngabe imali bangayithola khona. Kodwa futhi bayakhona ukufinyelela ukuthi bathole land, because land is wealth as well. it's
nokuthi amathuba emsebenzini.
Exactly. Uma ngabe ukuthi bayakhona ukuthi baqala amabhizinisi abo, bakhona ukuthola imisebenzi. Ukhulume ngabantu besifazane mhlambe abahlukumezekayo, bakhona ukushiya ama relationship abahlukumezayo, and mhlambe bakhona ukuthola nama shelters akhona already esiwakhayo kakhulu ngoba ukuhlukumezeka abantu besifazane kukhona, kodwa mhlamba ngifuna ukuya lapha
kakhulu.
So into ye financial inclusion sibuke kakhulu. Saba ne conference enkulu eNorthwest uma ngabe kufanele sibe ne technical meeting yethu, sabiza bonke abamabhange nakho konke babakhona. Saba nezinto esivumelana ngazo, sathi kubo uma siza kini niyasitshela ukuthi either than ukuthi sibeke imali yenu kini, kodwa nani niyatshala back kuma communities and empower abantu besifazane, youth, abantu be disability. Kodwa mhlamba asazi ukuthi bakuphi labo bantu. Nawu siyavumelana nje, sivumelana ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi sivumelana ukuthi ngonyaka ozayo ngoMarch sizohlangana. Uma niza nizositshela ukuthi sinike abantu besifazane abangaka, bawusindi Chikunga nobani bani bakuphi, benzani ngaleyo mali, so that we have that information esingakhona ukuyombona loyo muntu wesifazane la yekhona, loyo muntu one disability la yekhona, loyo muntu omusha la yekhona, ukuthi naba, so that because into esiyibukile ukuthi kune possibility yokuthi ngingaya kwa bank X bafike banginikeza loan noma banginikeza imali ngandlela whatever ndlela, ngiphinde ngoba sengiyayazi ukuthi isebenza kanjani, ngiye kwelandelayo kanjalo. So bonke babala ukuthi se empowerishe abantu besifazana abangaka, but uthola ukuthi mhlambe half of those people are the same people kule bank nale bank, sengiyalinganisa mhlambe into possible. So sithe cha abasinikeza ukuthi sazi ukuthi obani. Savumelana futhi ukuthi ngoMarch ngonyaka ozayo sihlala phansi siyahlangana basinikeza that information, so that sizobe sithi ke naba ke asibone ukuthi niyabalandelela, sibuka kanjani ukuthi siletha abanye futhi abazojoyina.
Ngizothanda ukuthi masibuya ekhefini Mayor sikhulume ngokuthi nawu ke wabakhona kwawakho ama working groups, nangena ningomeya nakhuluma nibonisane ngani ekutheni imapha masu engawafaka mhlawumbe ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nisize impilo zabantu, kakhulukazi abantu abadinga usizo. I just want to understand from your perspective, ingena kuphi iCity of Johannesburg ku G20 ukuthi umbukeli naye azokwazi ukuthi afundiseke. Mbukeli, siyabuya khona manje sokuphendula kuyo yonke imibuzo bakho. Mbukeli, khumbula ukuthi ungasishayela ucingo ku 011-714-0677 noma 78. Setholakala futhi mbukeli ku SABC Plus. Sikhona ke mbukeli kuyo yonke indawo la ufuna khona ukuthi sikhulume kanye nawe. Shayela ucingo. Mayor, angize kuwena. Umbukeli uyayibuza namhlanje ukuthi njengoba sizu minister ekhuluma ngama working groups, you've also been part of your own working groups with other mayors. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi what is the one thing that you took from that working group the working group meetings ozokwazi ukuthi uyisebenzise in the city of Johannesburg to improve the lives of residents?
Well, Bongiwe, mhlambe ngakhuluma ngalama collaborations esiwayenzile namanye amazwe. Mhlambe ngaqala ngale alternative power in the form of solar, and we've been working mhlambe nabantu base China in particular in terms of building a solar farm in Johannesburg. So it's part of the program. This is post G20 as part of our legacy program. It's around the economy and how we grow the economy and how to get abantu to participate in the economy. So the department to economic development izinto ukuthi isihlelile esizoqala sizenze unyaka ozayo kakhulu ezabe sibhekane ne-small business ukuthi sibanceda kanjani abantu bama-business amancane esi-investe kubo ukuthi sibakhulise. We are also babheke nalento bathi digital economy ukuthi sibaletha kanjani on the platform so that ama-business wabo could be more efficient and accept digital economy, or rather accept as they call it, the fifth revolution.
Okay.
So that helps them to realize more potential kuma business one. But okugcina ke sesi-implemented la eJohannesburg sa-akhala into esibiza ukuthi ama-EV testing station. Ngoba sibonile ukuthi i-future iza nge-electric vehicles. So se-Johannesburg sesicale sinama-EV station esiwa-akhile lapha head office yethu ye-City Power. As a pilot project, sunubona ukuthi singazi-roll out kanjani. Ngoba na i-City Power, we are also trying to add some of the new business components for the future energy business that we are building.
All right. Pardon me for coming in there. Minister Ngiyabona, especially when you speak about the impact on people, right? I'm looking at this. It looks very interesting. What is it?
You know, enye yezinto ezakhiwa omama South Africa nabo matabasha and sithi ubani ongathi nje uma ngabe ufuna ukupha igift uminister ufuna ukupha your counterpart ucabange ngokuyofuna elsewhere nakho kwakhiwa omama so beautiful uyabeka etafuleni kwakhiwa omama basemakhaya hayi baselokishini la besiye khona ngolwesihlanu loludlule emva kwe ministerial meeting yethu sahamba saya eMshwathi sabiza umama kwabane trade fair sathenga ngithenge komama nje yenziwa ubomama and uma ngabe uhlala ubuka le eshiwo umeya ukuthi imarket yona le yokuthi sikhuluma ngo e-commerce infrastructure today ukuthi lo mama ese-KZN esemshwathi esemnambithi le product yakhe lezi zinto zakhe angakhona ukuthi zibonwe umuntu ose-China nomuntu ose-London nokuphi esebenzisa digital infrastructure ikhona lokho esikushoyo but siqale ekhaya sithi ufuna i-present yokupha your counterpart uyoyivaluisha kakhulu le and siyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe kufanele sithole izinto ezinhle uyabeka etafuleni lakho nakho izinto zabantu besifazane kwakho abantu besifazane ubeka amaphilukuzana zakho la into esikhulumayo as i-women empowerment working group ukuya ku the ordinary people labayana ekungafinyeleleki yikho lokho kusijabulisayo ukuthi bese sikhona eMshwathi sasikhona eMkhondo so that nabo bangezwa njengendaba G20 abantu ukuthi G21 safika khona sabachazela ukuthi working group ihluka kanjani ku-engagement group nokuthi njengoba thina working group kusho ukuthi ilidwa ama-ministers engagement groups alidwa i-civil society even if efanele a-reporte or abe ne-relationship ne-DERCO kodwa alidwa i-civil society so lezo zonke lezi zinto sonabo bakhona ukubuka and uma sibaletha ngoba sike sabanayo futhi la eSandton sabaletha from the provinces sizothi naba ke ama-investors because nakhona la abekhona network kanphela so that nizothola ama-orders kodwa nathi ukuthi sikhona ukubasiza.
Mayor, in about a minute before we go for a break ngizothanda ukuthi siqhubeke la ngoba abantu bakhona ama-traders nike nathi ukuhilizisana kodwa akhona asebenzayo wona nenza njani ukuthi aqhubeke after G20 akwazi ukuthola uxhaso olunjena?
Asikuningi esikuyenzile namhlanje sibanikeni indawo zabo zokuthi ba-trade uyazi siphume enkantolo yasinika ke ama-decision ekumele siwa-implemente sijabule kakhulu nama-trader ajabulile si-rolla out ama-stalls sibanika nama-smart card namanye ama-program noba iy'nhlelo esizoziyenza somasipala ukuthi sibasupporte so sijabule kakhulu ukuthi even post G20 basendaweni e-right indawo e-safe indawo e-clean kumele ba-trade kanjalo kuya phambili.
Alright, Mayor masibuya ngizothanda ukuthi sesigoqa nje ngikhulume nani nobabili ukuthi iG20 ngoba bayasho ukuthi iSouth Africa is a global player now, has been for the longest time. Isibeka kanjani futhi ezingeni elingathi liphezulu kulele besikulo. Mbukeka siyabuya khona manje unganyakazi. Mbukeli sesiphetha nje ake ngithathe uMusa eSoweto. Musa sawubona?
Sawubona njani?
Siyaphila njani baba kafushane nje?
Siyaphila. Cha mina bengicela ukubuza nje into eyodwa kakhulukazi kubaba uLokhuzana kubaba uMrero. Ngicela ukubuza igoli ngoba selilihle kangaka. Siyayibona yonke lemigwaqo Divilias kuhle liclean igoli. Ukuthi lento akwenzelwa yini iG20 emva kweG20 sazolibona yini leligoli esilibona manje lisha.
Okay, all right. Mayor ngisacela uphenduleke.
No ngiyajabula umbuzo wakho. Le program esiyenzayo sicale lapha eDivilias siyaphambili siyayibamba bit by bit idolobha sizolungisa uzobona nawe ngoJanuary sasiqhubeka singena kwezinye indawo sizama ukulungisa lonke idolobha but anyeke sikhona ukulenza ngesikhathi esi1 kumele silibambe precinct by precinct nani nikhona ukubona ukuthi no umsebenzi osuyenzayo uyabonakala siyaphambili masuka la siyakwamanye ama precinct siwabuyise na
asibone ukuthi Mayor kuzokwenzeka lokho ke. Minister sesiphetha nje iG20 umuyibuka izinga iningizimu Afrika seyikulo. Some people say that it's punching above its weight. Siqhubeka kanjani ukuthi siqhubeke siye phambili ngezinga eliyaphezulu?
Asikwazi ukuyicabanga siyiSouth Africa singayiphezulu. And mhlambe uma kukhona ama opportunities afana nalawa bese sithi sishona phansi. Uma ngabubuka nje bengilalela kukhuluma uPremier waseMpumalanga uthi itourism is booming with the possibility ukuthi iMpumalanga ingalida kwi-tourism. Ibingeke izenzakalele is because of the meetings that we took to Mpumalanga. Kufika nama technical people from these 20 countries but and invited countries. Lokho kwenza ukuthi babone ukuthi hawu kanti kukhona eMpumalanga kune God's Window kune Kruger Lokhuzana National Park, the Big 10. So lokho sekubenza bafune and kuyahambeka kalula kunama flights and all that. So we managed to expose South Africa, the parts of South Africa that normally would not have been exposed.
Minister, we still have a lot of time to talk, and Mayor as well. Let me thank you for making time at such short notice. I know we got you out of a meeting. Appreciate it. Ngiyabonga kini Mbukeli nani ukuthi nihlanganyele kanye nathi nehabile zethu Dada Morero, Mayor of Johannesburg, Sindisiwe Chikunga, Minister in the Presidency for Women, Children and Persons, in fact, Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities. Mbukeli, siyahlangana futhi ngeviki elizayo. Ayixabe.